Users on Pro Team or Enterprise plans can use the file sync feature to automatically send files uploaded on their forms to Google Drive. This eliminates the need for third-party integrations to manage the file transfers to your cloud storage. Once connected, any file submitted through a file upload field is automatically sent to your storage account when an entry is created or updated without manual steps. Each file transfer contributes to your organization's API, so to optimize efficiency, only new or updated files are sent, and any files that have already been synced to the storage provider are not transferred again. To sync your Forms files to Google Drive, you need to be an organization administrator or an organization owner. But once the connection is established, form-level administrators can use the feature on their forms. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up. To begin, open the build page of your form. Click on your file upload field and then enable Sync Files to Cloud Storage in the field settings. If you have multiple file upload fields on your form, you'll only need to do this once. Later on, you can add or remove the specific file upload fields you want to send to Google Drive. Now select Google Drive from the window that appears. You can sync with only one cloud storage provider per form, so if you wanted to sync files to OneDrive on another form, that would be possible. Choose the account you'd like to connect to, follow the remaining prompts, and then a setup window will appear where you'll choose how your files are stored. First, you'll select your connected folder. This is the main folder in your Google Drive where all of your synced files will go. You can select an existing folder or go to your drive, create a new folder, and then come back here to complete the setup. Next, select your folder path. This controls how your files are organized into subfolder, so it's helpful to think about your folder structure ahead of time. The labels used on your folders are based on your field labels. And if you include a /, you can create folders inside of folders, so use that intentionally to organize your files. For repeating sections, it's helpful when each item, like an entry or a child or a submission, has its own unique name. That way, only the right files get grouped together and they'll be neatly organized into their own folders. After you determine how you want to structure your file path, choose your file name. You can keep the original name of the uploaded file or create a custom name using information from the entry. And finally, select which file upload fields you want to sync. If there are any fields you don't want included, you can simply uncheck them here. Once you've configured these settings, click Save and your files will start syncing automatically. The integration is now available across your organization and can be connected to other forms without re-authenticating. If you'd like to sync files for entries submitted before the integration was set up, go to the Entries page and select the older entries. Then click Actions and Update. This will send those files to your connected storage just like new submissions. And if you happen to select entries that have already been sent, you don't have to worry, those files won't be uploaded again. Only new files are sent, so you're not using more API requests than necessary. You can always check the status of synced files in the entry activity log. Organization admins can manage file sync connections by going to the organization settings and then clicking the Integrations tab. There you can see which forms are using each connection, update the connected folder, or disconnect the integration. If you disconnect the integration, it will stop syncing files for all forms that use it, but any files that were already sent will remain in your storage. If you ever need to review changes or troubleshoot an issue, you can also check your organization's audit log to see what actions were taken. And if you'd like to stop syncing a field, just turn off the sync option for that field. New files from that point forward won't be sent to your storage, but any files that were already synced will stay where they are. That's all I'm going to cover in this video, but you can find more information in our user guides. And if you have any questions, you can always reach us directly by submitting a support request.